Imagine a place on a map that officially didn't exist for decades. A place in the middle of the scorching Nevada desert where the signs don't say "keep out," they say "use of deadly force authorized." This is Area 51. For 60 years, pilots reported strange lights zooming over this base at impossible speeds. If you get too close, men in white Jeeps with black-tinted windows will come out of nowhere. They won't ask you to leave. They will point a gun at your head. What are they guarding so aggressively? The legend of aliens started with one man, Bob Lazar. In 1989, he went on live TV with his face hidden and dropped a bombshell. He claimed he was a physicist hired to work at a secret sector near Area 51 called S4. He said his job wasn't to build planes, but to reverse engineer 9 flying saucers of extraterrestrial origin. He described a fuel called Element 115 that could bend gravity. At the time, Element 115 didn't exist on our periodic table, but years later, science discovered it. Was he telling the truth?
But where did these saucers come from? All roads lead back to 1947, Roswell, New Mexico. A mysterious object crashed in the desert. The military first announced they captured a flying disc, but 24 hours later, they changed the story to a weather balloon. Conspiracy theorists believe the wreckage and the bodies of the alien pilots were secretly transported to Area 51. They believe the bodies are kept in cryogenic freezers deep underground, waiting for us.
For years, the U.S. government denied Area 51 existed. But in 2013, the CIA finally declassified documents. They admitted, yes, it's real, but they said it wasn't for aliens. It was for the U-2 spy plane and the stealth bombers. The strange lights people saw in the sky, they weren't UFOs. They were top-secret American aircraft flying at Mach 3. They claimed the secrecy was to hide technology from the Russians, not to hide Martians from the public. But is that the whole story? In 2019, millions signed up for a historic event, Storm Area 51. They claimed they can't stop all of us. It started as a joke, but it proved one thing. The world is desperate for the truth. Today, the base is more active than ever. Satellite images confirm new secret hangars are being built. Whether it's advanced drones or alien technology, one thing is certain. Whatever is happening inside that fence is meant to change the world, or perhaps end it.